Ahoj ženy, čaute babi. Zdravíme vás, vy úžasná polovica ľudstva. Toto je pre vás, ktoré robíte atmosféru, balíte darčeky, pečiete medovníčky. Skrátka robíte Vianoce.
To all the mothers, ladies, Christmas cookie bakers. To all the daughters, moms, the girls, and Christmas makers. Just come with us and let us sing out loud for justice. Christmas would suck without us, so let's run this.
A preto sa pýtame, prečo sa každý rok spomína len Ježiško, Dedo Mráz či Santa Claus?
How come that every year a mister gets the fame when all the work is done by women in his name? There's something wrong, ain't it? There's something wrong. Santa Claus here to change it. To all the gorgeous grannies and the pudding haters, to all the sisters, dads, and sons, and Christmas makers, we all salute you, Santa Claus here for justice. Christmas is nothing without us, so let's run this. It's time for us to change the stupid old school game. A whole new era, Santa Claus gonna bring. There's something coming, ain't it? We're up and running and we're finally gonna change it.
Toto je pre všetky ženy, ktoré robia naše Vianoce šťastnými. Každý jeden rok. Buďte na seba hrdé. My na vás sme. Lidl.